Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Miata's gauge cluster. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery before starting any electrical work. You will need a few basic tools, primarily Phillips head screwdrivers of various sizes. Begin by removing the two screws located at the lower edge of the plate found directly under your steering column. Once these are out, gently pull the plate towards the foot pedals to slide it off. Next, focus on the steering column cover. You will find 3 screws on the bottom of this two-part cover. After removing them, carefully separate the top and bottom pieces, as they are held together by clips. Some gentle wiggling may be necessary. With the column cover off, you can now access the instrument cluster hood. Grasp the top of the cluster hood with both hands and pull it straight back towards you to release its 5 retaining clips. Now that the cluster hood is removed, you will see the gauge cluster itself. It is typically secured by 4 Phillips head screws. Remove these screws carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the cluster forward a few inches. Reach behind the cluster to disconnect the electrical connectors. There are usually 3 or 4. If your Miata has a mechanical speedometer, you will also need to carefully detach the speedometer cable by pressing its tab and wiggling it out. With all fasteners and connections detached, you can now gently pull the entire gauge cluster out of its opening in the dashboard. Take your time to avoid scratching any surrounding trim. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the cluster and its connections for any signs of wear or damage. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.